Oh, right. Asking a question. Tell me what you think. No, not about the teeth. It's not because it's Black Friday, but everybody's buying stuff. I'm not going to buy it on Black Friday because I found out today 85% of the crap that you can buy is at the same price or more expensive than if you bought it at other times of the year. But what I was wondering about was getting a microphone for this one. I know I don't talk in the car, but I know that you can't hear me. And aside from sucking on sweeties, I don't have much to say, but I just thought for a change, I could give you a running commentary as to the drive, basically. That's all. And any other ramblings that I might come out with. Not particularly entertaining. I'm not saying I'm going to do a vlog like the car reviewers. I'm not interested in that stuff. You can find that elsewhere. But if you ask particularly, I'll answer. I'm happy to answer. But let me know what you think in the comments below. Like and subscribe. Thank you. It makes the channel grow a long way and we're very grateful. Yeah, right. All that stuff. But it still applies, and thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you. 300 odd subscribers. I mean, although in saying that, I think I'm the only one to vlog that drives. It's a bit ASMR or whatever you want to call it, AMSR or I don't know. I'm the only one I think I've come across who vlogs their everyday drives in a Mk4 Focus ST. So that's something. So anyway, let me know what you think. See if I should get mic'd up. Right, I'm off out for a quick little drive. Got nothing else to do, so we'll go for a drive. All right, speak to you later. I don't know whether to take my jumper off without my jumper on, but I don't know.